Okay, so I just did a fresh install on WordPress. This is kind of the standard install page. You give your site title, your username, your password, your email, you hit install. And when you're done, you end up with pretty much what this looks like. So, right out of the box, WordPress has a few vulnerabilities, issues I'd like to address. And we'll go over the simple ways to kind of help clean that up, as well as plugins and a little more advanced ways in the future. But the first thing is when you create your username, do the standard install, it doesn't actually let you choose like a nickname or a screen name. It literally just takes that username and puts it in both the nickname and the author name all in one. So if someone wants to figure out what your login is, all they have to do is go in here, add this little query string, and it will display all authors who are the first instance in the database. So in our case, we have the user not admin. Again, since this is a fresh install, it's basically displaying our login name. So from here, anybody can go in and try to log in with our username. So we can try, password, secret, God, all the typical passwords, admin, and there you go. So I have my password set to admin just for demonstration purposes, but I was able to get into the website. Obviously, hackers, they have tools that automate the process, and if you're not protecting your login page, they can literally just try every combination password with the username and eventually brute force attack your login, get into your website. So the easiest way to fix this is through WordPress. And you go and edit your user that gets created when you install WordPress. So we edit our user here, and we scroll down here. Notice it took our username and basically just added it to these two fields by default. So if we change this and then change our display name to match what we just entered here, update that, and now if we try that little author trick, you can see now it says nickname, which is not our login name that we use to log into the website. So that's just a quick little fix to not let people know what your login name is. But we still know that this is the first instance in the database, so more than likely this is an admin user. So we definitely want to make sure that we change this to not reflect our login name. So that's kind of the quick way of fixing that. And over the next video, we'll talk about protecting the login page so hackers won't be able to just take your username and try to log into your website over and over again without any kind of blocking or restriction. They can just literally just for hours and days on end try to use that username and then a whole bunch of combinations of passwords.